As you guys can see, we're in a different setting today. You're going to be cooking with me. So we're gonna make some delicious jollof rice with beans and chicken. Chef's kiss. So come with me and cook with me. Enjoy. So first we're gonna boil our chicken seasoned, and once that's seasoned we're gonna parboil our rice and our beans because beans take a long time. And then once the chicken is boiled, we're gonna put it in the oven to like roast a little bit. And then make sure you prepare your vegetables, cut them all, onions, carrots, whatever vegetables you want to put in your food. As you can see here, I'm cutting a little bit of onions and carrot. Once we do that, we put oil or butter, whatever you want to use to fry it. Fry your onions, your vegetable. Once that is fried, we're gonna add in our carrots because the onions are a little bit sauteed already. So now we're gonna fry the carrots and the onions together so they're not like crunchy when you're eating them. We want them to be soft and tasty. So yeah, we're gonna wait for the carrots and the onions to fry a little bit. So don't forget to season it so it's also tasty. But once we have that seasoned, we're gonna leave it to fry for a little bit. Add whatever seasoning you want. I put lemon pepper here, lemon seasoning, lemon pepper, whatever it's called. I put a little bit because I love that stuff. It actually gives it a lot of flavor. You'll be surprised. And then I put a little bit of curry because I do not want to put curry in my stew. So instead, I'm gonna put it in the carrots and the onions to like give it a little bit of flavor. Once you think your onions and carrots are sauteed, you're gonna add in your crushed tomato to make the stew, and you're gonna let it fry for a little while because we need to let the tomato fry so it's not like soggy and mushy when you're eating it, and it's not like the taste of raw tomato. So we're gonna let it fry, and then once the thing is fried, while it's frying, we're gonna do a little dancey dance, you know, vibe out a little bit while it's frying. And once it's fried, make sure you check on your chicken because we don't want the chicken burnt. Go back to the stew. The tomato is fried. That steam is how you know it's fried. Then you add in your blended tomato, onions, pepper, whatever you blended, you add it in because I forgot to film that. But yeah, and then you add in your seasoning. I used chicken stock cubes, and you can use whatever seasoning that you feel like using. I love my chicken stock. And then once that is done, you add in your boiled beans that is already soft because we do not want to be eating raw beans, you know. So that you put it in, you stir it with the sauce that you fried already, let it steam for a bit, and then that's where we're gonna add our rice that we boiled earlier. And the rice is looking a little yellow because I mixed it with the meat stock to give it a little bit of taste and flavor. Anyways, y'all, that's it. We're gonna wait for the food to steam, and then we're gonna serve it. But other than that, we just wait. So see you guys when the food is ready. And just like that, you have your delicious jollof rice with beans and chicken. Enjoy. Mwah. Here you go.